It's nothing like what we're about to show you. Take a look here. Rio de Janeiro's Christ the Redeemer statue was lit up in pink in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. The 130-foot statue changed colors at the request of Pink Bow Foundation. That's a nonprofit that helps people with the disease. Every October, people around the world celebrate Breast Cancer Awareness Month to encourage people to take steps towards early detection, including getting yearly mammograms.
Yes, so important. And this morning we want to share some good news. Northwestern Medicine has launched a new Hispanic breast cancer clinic and hopes to address so many disparities in care that Hispanic women often face. And here to chat more about it is Dr. Claudia Tellez, oncologist leading research and treatment at this new clinic. Dr. Tellez, good morning to you and thanks for being with us.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me here today.
We're excited to celebrate with you in this new milestone. Congratulations on the new clinic, first of all.
Thank you so much.
So what have you seen through your research when it comes to the significant health disparities that women of color face, especially when it comes to mortality rates and breast cancer diagnosis?
That's right. Thanks so much for bringing that up. So what we see with the Hispanic community is that our ladies, while they are being diagnosed a little later with their breast cancers and their cancers are more aggressive, we're seeing that the incidence of cancer is slightly lower than the Caucasian women, but the mortality is quite a bit higher due to more aggressive cancers.
And we know that the point of this clinic, you really want to get the word out. You want people to know about it, especially for Hispanic women to be able to get the treatment that they need. Can we talk a little bit more about your plan to make sure women know that this is available to them?
Exactly. Yeah. Thank you so much. So we've been working for a while now with the community to provide education and to provide information about the availability of the clinic, to help to bridge pathways and just to make patients aware that Northwestern has this program available for them in trying to really bridge whatever discrepancy or gaps they have to allow them to come to Northwestern.
And doctor, we know breast cancer diagnosis can be so overwhelming. And if you add on the challenges mentioned, like cultural, language barriers, it can be even more difficult, especially when you're trying to get treatment. So can we talk more about the environment that this new clinic right here in Chicago will be about? What can patients expect when they walk in?
Yeah, thank you so much about that. So one of the things that we were trying to do was to provide a safe environment for them. And we know that a great barrier for the patients is the language. And so patients in the community that are diagnosed with cancer, I'm sure, are overwhelmed just with the diagnosis, much less thinking about finding a provider that will understand them, that will understand their cultural differences. So what we will do here in the clinic at Northwestern is that during the clinic, we will have it fully staffed with Spanish speakers. We will be also in communication with our patients since before their visit to try and assist with whatever barriers they might have. But from the moment that they call or they arrive in the office, we'll have Spanish speakers taking care of them.
Gosh, that's huge. Not only for being able to take the calls, but so often when you're in your appointment, it's just hard to understand what's happening and what you should do and the next steps you should take. So I feel like that also helps in that, right, in the treatment process?
Absolutely. I mean, I think about how overwhelming it would be to just have a diagnosis and have to speak to a physician and try and understand the information in a foreign language would be so difficult. And so not only to be able to educate the patients about their cancer, the prognosis, the diagnosis, but also about all the things that patients can empower themselves to do in terms of diet and exercise and just keep a real positive mindset, and to be able to convey all that information in Spanish will be incredibly helpful.
Dr. Tellez, thank you so much for sharing more about this new clinic that will just be so helpful when we talk about closing the gap on disparities in healthcare in our area. We appreciate you. I know you mentioned the clinic is now open and you are taking appointments, right?
It is. Thank you so much. I appreciate all your opportunity to convey the information.
Yeah, we'll put a link for those appointments on our website, cbschicago.com. Dr. Tellez, thank you so much.
Thanks. Appreciate it.